Let's get this day started with a good massage with this percussion massager. Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me today as I dive in and talk about this very nice percussion massager that was sent to me. It was sent to me by a company called Cotsoco, and even though they sent it to me, I'll give you my unbiased opinion. What I like about this massager is that it is affordable. It's right around $70, and they also have a promotion, so you could take advantage of that. And I'll put a link down below where you could get more information. If it makes sense, you can order it. I'll give you my unbiased opinion, and hopefully this video will be of help to you. And definitely a great value for the money, because also the different massage heads, there's 10, and we'll dive in and talk about that. If you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and would like to subscribe to my channel and find I add value, then click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So yes, this is a very nice percussion massager, and it's not too heavy. It feels good in the hand. It's got a rubberized grip, which I like. You got your battery indicator here. You got your battery indicator on the display. And talking about display, what I really like about it, it's a digital display. So not only can you see the battery life remaining, but you can also see the different speeds you want to go to. So you can go up, and we'll talk more about the different settings that you can go up to. You can actually go up to 30. So yep, so we'll dive in deeper as I demonstrate it to you, and I like it because you can do full control with that display. It's not a very loud machine, and so I'm really impressed with it, and we'll dive in that in a minute. Now, let me go ahead and share with you what else is included. You get this very nice carrying case. It has this carbon look to it. It's a rubberized material. You got this nice star. No logo branding on there, which that's fine. And you also got a handle there as well. And then in the inside, you have your charger, your wall charger. We'll talk about charging in a minute. And then also you have the massage heads, and this is where it's a great value. And in here, we'll go ahead and talk about the different massage heads, but there are 10. And so you don't get that with a lot of massagers. So quite a really good value for the money. Then you get 2 books. You get this trigger points therapy, which is great. So it talks about and highlights different areas of your body for massaging, and then also the user manual there in a number of different languages. And then last but not actually 2 more things. You also, obviously, this is the box. If you're curious what the box looks like, they've got some highlights there, and you got some pictures of some of the massage heads. And again, we'll talk about that as well. And then the last but not least, we have 2 rings, and these are replacements for the massage heads, because all the massage heads have those rubberized rings, so it stays in the massager. So very nice package. So as far as the massager, it feels great. You've got the speeds. Now this goes up to 3,500 RPMs. So let me go ahead and show you. So if you want to go up quickly to the different levels, you just compress and hold that plus button. And now we're at the maximum level. And one of the things, by the way, this is super quiet. I mean, at the highest speed, and this is at up to 3,500 RPMs. So very, very super quiet machine. And even, with pushing hard, you could see this can definitely take the push that you might need to really give yourself that trigger therapy. So there you go. So you got the plus sign. When you hit the 30 and you press that again, that stops at 0. Now, one of the things to get it started again, you have your middle button there, and then you have your plus and minus for speeds. Now, if you were to stop it while using it, you press the middle, it would then start back at 0. It doesn't leave off back where it was. Now, if you're also using it, you're in the middle of using it, you have the on and off master switch, so you can go ahead and turn it off that way as well. So those are some of the highlights. Let me give you some of the other specs as well on the massager. It does have 10 massage heads. We'll talk about that in a minute. Up to 30 speeds available, 3,500 RPMs, up to 3,500 RPMs. And as far as amplitude, this has an amplitude of 14 millimeters. Many of the massagers on the market are around 10, so you're going to get a deeper massage into the muscle, so something to think about, into the tissue. And as far as the battery life is charging is 3 to 4 hours of charging time, and you're going to get up to 4 to 6 hours of working time depending upon how much force and what speed. So there you go. So in between uses, you can go ahead and just put it on the charger. It will let you know what level. Again, when you turn it on, you can see it's showing you level 10, so you really can keep a close tabs of the battery life there. And it does have a 10-minute auto shut off as well. Now, as far as the different massage heads, let's talk about that. So you got the foam head. This is the very popular one. You see these on most of the massagers on the market. This is a good all-around body for the body parts, from your arms to your legs, to which I like to use on my shoulder. And especially I'm dealing with a pinched nerve still, as you've seen some of my other massage videos. It's one of these things that's just been lingering, and I'm trying to back off on doing things. But that is what's great about this massage head. Now, when you change the massage heads, one of the things I recommend is make sure to power off completely, and you want to turn and then pull. So again, you have this foam ball massage head. So let's go ahead and take these out. This one, I guess I'll just call it the curve or the arc. This one is great for massaging legs and arms too, because of the curvature. So you can see there, it can get right around the arms well, which is great. And again, you can adjust the speed there at the same time. So you can go ahead and use that on the arms. What's also nice is using it on the legs. So you can definitely get a nice calf massage, which is great as well. And you can see how that just massages right along that muscle, and that feels great. This is another great massage head. All right, let's go ahead and show you the next massage head. And this one, they call it, and they have some of these listed on here. This is the tooth head, suitable for relaxation and molding of various points. So that is this one here. And I haven't really used this one, but let me go ahead and turn this on. I generally like the foam, the ball head, and I do like this one as well for the legs. You don't see that again too often, but here you could probably use this along the tissue for relaxation, as it says. Again, this is the tooth head, so interesting massage head. So the next one, I do need my glasses. It says this is the buffer head, suitable for most muscle groups to cushion shock and prevent sensitive muscle damage. So that is the buffer head. Interesting one. Let's go ahead and turn that on. So again, you can use that on your arms. You can use that on your thighs. You can certainly use that on your calves as well. So that is the next one. Again, you want to just make sure to power off your massager when you are changing massage heads. And this is called the Y head. This is good for the back of the neck and the spine area. Let me see if there's anything else to share with you. Suitable for impacting deep tissue such as the meridians and joints. So that is this one, but it's also great for this area as well, massaging. You just want to be careful of your neck. So this is one you see on a lot of massagers. All right, so that is that one. Again, we've got 10 here. Then we have the flathead. This is great for different body parts. Another great option if you want something to give you a good massage. I find I use that on places that has some good muscle on it, but it does feel good on the arms. You can also use this on your feet. And talking about the feet, the ball massager is, this feels great on the feet. Then the next one, we have more of a curvature, another one that you can use for, it's not listed on the box there, but this is another one that you can use on different various muscle body parts. Then this next one is, this is a foam head, or a rubber head, I should say. So this is soft. This is actually great if for those areas around the bone. So, and that one doesn't mention on there, but you know, especially if you are working your leg and you have that bone going down your leg, this is great for that area too if you wanted to massage. So you could be careful of those sensitive areas. So that is what's great about this massage head. So that is that one. Then we have, this is a different shape. I've never seen anything like this before. Again, this is probably for multiple body parts. This one is not listed what it's for, but again, you can play with these different massage heads and see which one fits you most. I think you're gonna find you're gonna use this one very often, and you'll definitely use this one frequently. And also I think this one. So I think those three will be popular. So this one is called the Gold Finger Head, and it says it's suitable for managing all parts of the body, such as the hands and soles. So that is another one ready to go. And I also like this too for the elbow. If my elbow flares up, this is great. That gets right into that trigger point and to help massage that. Another great massage head for that. What a great value this massager is with all these different massage heads. And then again, you have those two rubberized pieces should you need to change out the ones or in case it falls off. But there you go, great value for the money, and give you a little close-up of the massager in action so you can see that going. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate the company sending it to me. Definitely a nice value for the money. And again, the fact that you get 10 massage heads, which is awesome. It's a great, great value. And this is a great gift if you know anybody that's looking for a percussion massager. Have a great day, stay pain-free. And again, be sure to click on the link where you could learn more about this percussion massager. Take care.